saying? Amen. Solid through the night till the day end. Look. Niggas knowing I'm the HN, credit score at 18. New Rolls truck, same color as a spray tan. Who gon' hold up with them boys, please show hands. Who gon' fold up when it's hot and time to go in? I'ma build a pool, heated stools just to lay in.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy srtlenn back in another video, back in another banger, man. As y'all see by the title, man, we got a new hood. Got my baby right here with no hood on right now. Currently, we are about to try to put the new one on, y'all. So y'all stay tuned, like the video if y'all want to see more content like this, more modifications, y'all. We are about to start putting the Jeep on this channel as well, modifying the 5.7. So stay tuned, man. Let me know what y'all want to see. All right, guys. So the hood came in this very gigantic box that I couldn't fit in the Jeep. So we're going to try to install it on the Charger today. All right, guys, so we do have the hood just sitting on top right now. We did not put it on yet because we still have to take the bolts out. Hopefully this doesn't mess up my paint. But if y'all don't know what type of hood we got, we did get the Redeye hood. For the Charger, y'all. I'm kind of thinking about going wide body, y'all. So we got the Redeye hood, we got the Redeye wheels. I call these Redeye wheels, but these are really wide body wheels. I got them for a slim body though. And yeah, man, so we're gonna put this on pretty soon, make sure everything lines up perfectly. I think it's gonna make the car look more aggressive. Now the color of this is like I think it's like a matte black. I think it might be a matte black. I don't think it's a gloss black. But we do have stripes that came in the mail as well that I was gonna put on the car as well. So y'all let me know, should I put the stripes on and wrap this white or paint it white, or and put the stripes on as well, or should I just put the stripes on and leave the hood black?
Real vents too? I don't know if I got real vents or not.
I mean, I don't know, man. I'm trying to put my
I ain't gonna lie to you, you darker than these fucking Doritos.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like,
I'm having trouble trying to sleep.
I can't get no fucking sleep at all.
I'm counting shit, but running now.
Oh, running out. Renegade on fucking running out.
Time ticks by. Till I try.
That's real vents.
Ain't gonna lie, twin. I think I'm gonna have a fat gap right here. What you think?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah. I got like I don't know. That shit look weird. 392 Hemi. Is this really a SRT, bro? Bro, what are you talking about, man? That's the debate. Everybody saying it is because it says power.
I got an SRT.
Okay, so you say.
I got an SRT. I don't know about those Skypackers. I don't know if they got RTs if you ask me.
So what you got in there?
That's an SRT. Go look at the seats, buddy. Go look at the seats, buddy.
So if you got the seats.
Nah. You go get the seats.
Oh, get the hellcat seats.
Them hellcat seats. On my mama, them hellcat seats. On my mama. On my mama.
Oh, you switched your seats?
No, that's how it came. That's a real SRT.
Y'all let me know. Everybody debate if it's an SRT or not. The 392, Jay. Yeah. 392 Hemi.
You think I updodged? You think I up? Boy, the car came with this. The car came. Go check it out. The seats say SRT right there, as you can see. All right, y'all, man, we are about to put the hood on. Well, I am, because...
Hi, how are you?
Bro, just here.
Right, man.
You know what I'm saying? But y'all,
fine, bro.
we do got the Redeye hood, as y'all can see. We do got vents and everything. So we finna take this off, and we finna try to line it up perfectly and get this thing on, y'all. All right, y'all, man. Handyman AJ, you know what I'm saying? What my boy Laura should be saying. Lord Mechanic. we SRT mechanic now, y'all. What are you talking about? Yeah, we finna see if this is gonna shut perfectly. I know it's not, y'all, because I don't know what I'm doing. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, guys. So we're gonna see though.
You trying to take it all the way off?
If we, you know what? Let's take it all the way off.
I ain't gonna show it yet. Nah, that be a pussy. That been like a cat, bro.
I'm nowhere near where we need to be though. This is so off center.
Damn, for real? Shit.
I need a mechanic friend. I cannot be the mechanic, y'all. Alright, y'all, man, we got the Redeye hood on this thing, you feel me? Now, y'all, don't judge me. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a body shop. I know there's a gap right here. But it's not that bad, though. It's not that bad. We still got a Redeye hood on that motherfucker. That shit pussy. No, y'all, can y'all tell me what color this is, y'all? Like, is this matte black, gloss black, or satin black?
Satin. It's
satin black is what it is.
Satin black. It's not glossy.
It's satin and all our fingerprints on her, twin. That's crazy. All right, y'all. So y'all let me know if I should put the stripes on here now, y'all. Like, should I do the whole thing? What you think, dog? You think I should do the stripes, or should I go black roof and stuff?
The hood black?
I think I'm gonna keep it black, bro. Cause then if I get it painted, it's gonna have to get, they gonna have to buff it and all types of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I'm never gonna be able to get this color back. What you think, man? YouTube, comment below what y'all think I should do. Should I wrap the hood white and try to find the white that can match this white and put the stripes on, or what, y'all? Like, let me know. I need to know.
That black is hard though.
It's hard. I ain't gonna lie,
it's hard
twin.
with the Redeye hood. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie, twin.
Maybe like you,
black
the top and the back.
But I paid for the stripes, bro. I paid $200 for stripes. I paid $200 for stripes, so I ain't gonna lie. I gotta put the stripes on just to see what it look like. And if it's trash, then I go black top, black trunk. What you think? Okay, I'm gonna tell you what I'm really gonna do, y'all. Okay. I'm telling y'all this. So only people that's gonna know this is the people that watch this video. This is the wrap that we're doing, y'all. So we're gonna go black hood, right. Black top, black trunk, right? We're gonna get a black stripe to go down the middle right here, y'all. Right? Just a small 1-inch stripe to go right there, right? One side gonna be white, one side gonna be orange. Do I need to show you an example, twin?
Yeah, you gotta show.
All right, y'all, hold up. I'm gonna show him the example. So come check it out, right? So check it out.
Am I tripping?
You're not tripping, dog.
I'm tripping.
You think this? So you think this is a scat pack?
This is a scat pack. It's a 392 Hemi.
Is a SRT Jeep considered a scat pack? Yes or no? Yes or no? It's just,
no, because of the body style.
So what is it considered?
It's considered a.
What is it considered? It's considered an SRT, right?
SRT Jeep.
So why can't this be called an SRT Charger?
No, it can be, but I'm saying it's a scat pack too, though.
It's not a scat pack, bro. It's not, bro. It's literally not a scat. So why don't you call a Jeep also a scat pack?
Answer me this: what engine does an RT have?
A 5.7 or a 392, 6.4.
Wait, no. What is a RT? Okay.
It's two trim levels. You can get a 5.7 or you can get a 392.
Okay, 5.7 got the what? 5.7 Hemi.
Yes.
The scat pack has the what?
6.4, 392.
392 Hemi.
Right.
So a SRT has a 392 Hemi as well, right?
You can buy an SRT with a 6.4 or a 6.2 supercharger.
What is this one?
This is a 6.4.
So that is, and that's the same engine as a scat pack, correct?
Can you answer me this question? Same engine.
So it's the same thing.
It's not the same. It's. Can we? Okay, y'all. This is a delay to the video, y'all. I need y'all to comment below and tell 300 Dog that this is not a scat pack, y'all.
Bro, this is a scat pack. So I'm about to get you in.
Come on.
If I take this engine out.
You take it out of the SRT crisis? It's not a scat, bro. He don't understand the difference between an SRT 392 and a scat pack 392. Look at my rim. Look. You see your calibers?
Right.
What calibers you got?
6 pistons.
Which comes on what?
Hellcats.
What I got?
6 pistons.
Which comes on what?
Hellcats.
The SRT.
Right. Wait.
So, what comes on the Scat Pack?
Okay.
Right. Now, they stopped making these. So now you can option a Scat Pack to get 6 pistons 2020 and up. You see what I'm saying? Right. What them seats say?
SRT.
You ever seen a Scat Pack with SRT seats?
You right.
Right. That's the same. Them the same seats that come in the same seats that come in a 2015-16 Hellcat. Same seats. You know what rims I had on this at first? Hellcat Snowflakes. You ever seen a Scat Pack with Hellcat rims? Nope. You ever seen a Scat Pack come with 275s on them, or they come with 245s? Right. You ever seen a Scat Pack with active suspension? Nope. I ain't never seen those. And if you go get in a Scat Pack from 2015 to like 2018, they don't have a screen on them where you can see the engine. Yep. Take your L, twin. What kind of car is this, twin?
Scat.
All right, YouTube, y'all, we finally are done, man. We got the hood on the car. It looks a little bit different, y'all. It kind of looks like the regular 392 hood I had on there. It's just these 2 new vents, as y'all can see. But the car is coming together, man. It's one of the last mods I'm probably gonna do to the car, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Hit the bell if y'all want me to keep modifying the car. Comment below what y'all want me to do next to the car, y'all. I'm thinking about doing stripes, thinking about putting the emblem on here, y'all. Hear me out, y'all. Thinking about putting the emblem on the side where the 392 was at, but the like a Hornet with the tail or the eye in the Hornet being an LED light like the Hellcats that put the LED lights in the Hellcat logo. So y'all let me know, man. Might tint the car, might put the most illegal tint we can do on the car, y'all. Who knows? We're gonna see y'all, but appreciate it if y'all made it this far in the video, man. Shout out to Dog for being a great supporter. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go subscribe to his channel as well.
Bro.
You know what I'm saying? He did a good job just being here, watching, not really helping.
I held that motherfucker now.
Y'all, he held it for like 3 seconds, y'all. I could have did that. But the hood is crazy, y'all.
And I'm on the tool set. The fuck?
Okay. You're the W man, actually. I apologize, twin.
Crazy.
Y'all, he the reason why we got the hood on. Y'all look at the hood he got on his Chrysler 300.
I'm finna wrap mine black, bro.
You talking about wrapping it, y'all?
I think I'm wrapping mine black.
This dude got a 5.7 in it. He does have the underground tune as well. Go check out his channel, y'all. Link is in the description. It's gonna be the first link, y'all. He's a bot, you know what I'm saying, but he's cool, man. He just put a new diff on there, y'all. He's standing on business. You feel me? Cool build though. It's a cool build. It ain't this.
Elephant, man. It's a elephant.
He got a elephant motor in here, y'all, as y'all see by the badge. It's a hell dog. Hell dog in that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying?
Man. Oh.
But y'all, this gonna conclude the video, man. Go ahead, spin the lights up, man. Gonna do another video soon.